say goodbye to hard water problems with our latest launch, Teknovus Akira Super. India's first salt-free dual protector technology, which treats hard water for your entire bathroom. Today, we'll show you how easy it is to install. First, locate your water tank. Most high-rise buildings have the tank on the rooftop or a utility area. This is where we'll attach the Akira Super. Simply connect the Akira Super to the main water outlet from the tank. This will allow the device to treat all the water before it reaches your bathroom. Make sure all connections are tight and secure to prevent leaks. It's a straightforward process, no special tools needed. Once installed, enjoy soft, treated water throughout your bathroom and house. Akira Super is maintenance-free and salt-free, ensuring long-lasting protection against hard water. Our Teknovus Akira Super is already generating great reviews and high demand. Protect your home and your family from hard water today.